So today I'll be showing you exactly how to use Windows Ultimate Performance Mode, and to do so simply go to your search bar down here and type in CMD. You're going to want to right click and click Run as Administrator and then click OK, and you're going to want to input this power configuration prompt right here and click Enter. And as you can see here, once it's entered, you can see GUID and it says Ultimate Performance, which means it is now running on Ultimate Performance. You can go ahead and close this out. Next, what you want to do is go back down to the search bar and type in Control Panel. You'll want to click that. Make sure it's all big and you have your large icon set up, and you're going to want to find Power Options. We're going to go ahead and click Power Options. Now, once in the Power Plan, you can go, or the Power Options, you can go ahead and scroll down. You might have to click a little icon here to see more, but as you can see here, you have Balanced, Ultimate Performance, and Ultimate Performance Mode, the two that we've actually prompted. And you go ahead and select that. And then you can go ahead, close out, and then just restart your computer, and you'll have your computer running on Ultimate Performance Mode as we prompted. So hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.